What's something people don't know about starting English conversations? It's not about perfect grammar, it's about momentum. Learn 3 moves that keep the talk rolling. Meet the problem. Most beginners freeze after greetings. You want to sound confident, but you get stuck. Quick fix. Switch from small talk to purposeful talk. Move 1. Ask a specific, easy question. Not, how are you? Try, what made you smile today? It's simple, it's personal, and people want to answer. Move 2. Use a follow-up that shows you listened. Repeat a word they said, then add your take. You like hiking? I tried a trail last week. The view was wild. That tiny echo builds connection. Move 3. Share a short, personal detail. Invite them in. I collect weird coffee mugs. What's a small thing that makes your day? Now it's a two-way street. Practice tip. Keep replies to 1 or 2 sentences so the chat breathes. If you stumble, laugh and move on. My English escaped me for a sec. Authentic beats perfect every time. Wrap up. Try these 3 moves today.